Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Colin from Grim Builders, giving you guys the latest update. This is our latest project. We're over in Mystic, Connecticut, working on a new deck build off the second floor. As you can see right now, we have the site leveled out. We had our mini dozer come in, excavate the site, take out old footings, old forms. We had just some inadequate foundations, so the sonotubes are undersized, so we scratched it. We said, let's take it out of here. While we're doing that, we made a layout with the client, so we're going to be doing a 20 by 16 foot deck. It's going to be an adequate size. It's going to be great. From the location you can see out here, we've got a nice slope so that they can overlook the property from the second floor. A lot of times when you see a deck, you'll see a footing sticking out of the ground. For this one, we've got all our sonotubes set in place with a rotary laser, so they're all level, they're all plumb, we're ready to go. So when we pour our concrete in one pour, we can get every single footing down to a structural depth, as well as below the frost line. And when we pour our slab on top, it's going to be nice and flush. You're not going to see any 4-inch reveal. We're also going to be waiting 24 days for the concrete to cure. We're going to come in, lag our supports in, and build up from there. You know, we always like to build our decks above the building code and to the highest of building standards. And when we build these decks, we like to put a butyl membrane on the back of our ledger board. So this ledger board over here is going to be getting ripped off. We're also going to be putting lagging in with structural screws, and then we're going to layer that again with another butyl tape membrane. We're about the coast, so we definitely want to make sure that the ledger board is going to be tight and last for years and years and years. The first thing to ever rot on these decks is always this ledger board connection to the house. I'd say about 6 out of 10 decks we do have rot in those areas, just from inadequate building methods of the past. But you know, that's why we're here, to bring it up to modern times. We're going to make sure that our clients are set up right. It's going to be a long investment that they can enjoy and not have to worry about. So stay tuned. We're going to keep you guys updated with the project. You guys are going to see how we do things over here at Grim Builders. Our goal is to make sure that you get to see our quality work before you even meet us on site. So check in with our Facebook, with our Instagram, with our YouTube, and you'll see all the updates on this project. If you have any questions, let us know.